Hello, my name's Alan Peatfield. I'm Managing Director of Soils UK. This is our Carif 320 machine. It's made in Italy, very high quality, very high performance, which is why I'm making it my director's choice machine. Okay, the control panel. The standard machine has 2 blade speeds on a switch, but this machine has the optional variator, blade speed variator. Also, it has the optional stop at the end of the cut. That is to say, when the machine has returned to the finished position, you can set it so it's just above the job. I'll just demonstrate this now. For instance, it's just going up to that position. I'll put the memory in, and then the machine will go down and do the cut, and then go back up to the same height. I'll just demonstrate the machine going down and returning. Mitering on the machine, as you can see, there is a scale here. You can have the option of a digital readout on the panel. Just undo it here and the machine will swivel round on bearings. Unlike some machines which are just metal to metal, it's actually on bearings. You can swivel it round to a predetermined angle. You actually have additional stops here and here which are adjustable, so you can keep bringing it back to the same position for your miters. The vise moves left and right so that you can do the opposite cut. On the machine we have carbide tip blade guides here and here, and at the front of the machine there are very large rollers which actually dampen vibration from the cut when you're cutting difficult materials like Inconel, Hastellite, stainless, etc. Blade tensioning. There is a white line here and a little slot cut into the shaft here. All you have to do is do it up with a spanner until the line on the shaft matches the line on the outer collar. On the bottom of the machine we have 2 sacrificial stock bar strips here. They actually can be reversed, so you've got another second life out of them, but as a stock bar you can just buy replacements from your stock holder. This is the measuring stop. It goes up to 500mm. And you can swing it out the way so that you can retrieve the material after the cut. There is an optional digital readout measuring system which I'll come on to later. The machine has a helical gearbox and the pump is driven off the gearbox here. All these components are made by the people who make the machine. The down speed of the bow is controlled with this lever, and the pressure of the bow is controlled here. This is a unique feature of the machine. The main reason why you should buy this machine. It'll give you better blade life, straighter cuts and a faster cut to boot. If you can adjust the feed pressure, which we can do on this machine, we can come through the thin walls of this box section quickly, and when you hit the flat at the bottom where it meets the most resistance, the machine will slow down and gently cut through the flat. That will give you a faster cut and a straighter cut and better blade life. When you're cutting round bar like this, you can set the feed up so that when it gets to the wider piece in the middle, the machine will slow down and then start to speed up again as it gets to the narrow piece at the bottom. You can also set the machine to have a very positive down feed, a high pressure down feed, and a slow feed rate for cutting difficult materials like this titanium, for instance. This is the digital measuring system made by Carif. It's 3 meters long, but you can have longer if you wish. You just move it here, clamp it here, and you have fine adjustment on the thumb wheel on the side.